we have a car race by Dunmininu. So first of all, show me the game. Play it. Wow. Will the obstacle come?
Yeah, we start. Why did you take it away from the one we are doing?
Okay. You didn't create obstacle on that lane. I think obstacles are on the right lane. Okay, it's coming here too.
You don't need to. Then why do you go to this place?
Good.
And if I go to this green part, you also take away a life.
Okay, yes, that's where humans are. And then it will take away life, and you would have the number of lives that has been. Oh, I can see 15. The score increased. Okay. Nice. And then the game is over. So what's the score? How is it working? Talk us through.
So I put the score on 3, but you'll be reducing by
let's play this one more time.
And as the speed is moving, that's how my car will be moving. So the speed will be going faster and faster. The lane will be going very faster and faster.
It doesn't bounce. So you can also control this by adding here a bounce.
So now we want to start now. Okay. And what? Sorry, I lost you.
Building.
Okay,
I don't really say how to do that.
Okay, so let's see your code blocks.
So I put when I click the green flag, this will be the buildings will go to this location.
Yes.
Because
you have to measure the X and the Y.
The buildings will be going as fast as I'm going with the speed.
Right.
The position, no, if the building is here, it will move all the way here, and then as it goes down, I made it look that as it goes down, it will be changing its costume every time it comes back.
Okay. That's the costume for the building. Yes. You have to build what are the set of the characters? You have that building, the other building.
This one is the white.
Okay, yes.
The opponent card, my player, and the lights.
Good.
What does that mean?
So for this one, I made I made it so I can tone myself, like tone it every 3 times. Repeat 3 times for hide and show and something like this. Okay. When I start toning, the speed of it will be changing by the speed by my variable.
Yes, my variable, the speed.
Location will just be the location. Will be coming from my opponent's first.
Yes.
So you just pick 1 to 3 seconds, like you pick a random.
Okay.
You just come anywhere at random and you come to any location at random. Just have to be at this Y axis. So the first thing you do is to come here. That's when I click the green flag.
Yes.
We'll come to this location. It will keep changing by my speed. The Y position will keep changing by my speed.
Yes.
And it will hide and show. Well, it will hide when you pass it.
When you've passed it, and then it will show.
When you just see new.
Great.